Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to link a Facebook page with Facebook group in 2023. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So the first thing that you have to do is you will have to go to more and then on more go to groups. Now if you don't have this group tab, as you can see we can link group right here or create a link group. But if we don't have this tab right here, what we'll have to do is we will have to here to settings, and then what we will have to do is we will have to go templates and tabs, and here we will go scroll down and we will have to enable groups, right? So once you did that, we can go to general. We can go actually back to the Facebook page, and here we can go to more. We can go to groups and then again click link group, and here we can link our group right here, and again we can link it here, and this is the link the group to the Facebook business page, and Facebook business page will be linked to the group as well. So this is basically how to do it. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.